Bonjour and welcome back to Saatchi Studio, your cozy destination for timeless home design inspiration. Whether you're remodeling a small city apartment or refining a light-filled suburban space, the ideas we share today are perfect for creating a kitchen that feels both functional and luxuriously serene. Today, we're taking you on a beautiful journey into the world of Parisian kitchen design, with a special spotlight on minimalist and chic interiors in white nuances. If you love aesthetics that feel fresh, elegant, and effortlessly stylish, you're in the right place. We'll explore how this charming style harmonizes elegance with simplicity, and how you can bring that subtle French flair into your very own kitchen. So grab a cup of tea or coffee, settle in, and let's get inspired by the delicate beauty of a minimalist and chic Parisian kitchen in white. Gorgeous white Parisian kitchen ideas. Minimalist elegance and timeless style. The Parisian kitchen philosophy: simplicity meets soul. Parisian kitchens aren't about grand statements or trend chasing. They're about balance, where beauty and practicality meet in quiet harmony. In this minimalist and chic variation, white becomes the storyteller. It reflects natural light, creates visual clarity, and adds a sense of calm to daily life. White, in Parisian kitchens, isn't sterile, it's soft, warm, and inviting. Think creamy off-whites, antique whites, and chalky finishes that bring subtle texture to every surface. This approach is about restraint with personality. A neutral base accented by art, vintage elements, and thoughtful details. Minimalist Parisian design values authenticity. It appreciates worn textures, graceful silhouettes, and the elegant simplicity of natural materials. Even in a modern city loft, this look pays homage to the quiet charm of old Parisian apartments with high ceilings, carved moldings, and herringbone floors. Choosing the right shades of white. In a minimalist Parisian kitchen, not all whites are created equal. You want a mix of tones to prevent the space from feeling too clinical. Use warm whites on cabinetry, like ivory or cream, which feel richer and more welcoming. Reserve bright, crisp whites for walls to maximize light reflection, and maybe even a soft gray white for countertops or open shelving. To add dimension, consider mixing finishes: matte paint on the walls, semi-gloss on cabinets, and natural stone with delicate veining for the countertops. This variety adds depth without sacrificing the all-white aesthetic. Textures also matter: white marble, fluted glass, brushed nickel, linen, or ceramic tile can subtly shift how light plays across the surfaces, preventing visual monotony while keeping the look clean and curated. Cabinetry and layout, function with Flair. Parisian kitchens tend to be compact, which makes layout and storage solutions absolutely vital. Think flat-front cabinetry with minimal hardware, perhaps dainty brass knobs or classic porcelain pulls. These details make a huge difference in conveying that refined Parisian elegance. Consider opting for open shelving above lower cabinetry. It's an ideal way to display beautiful glassware, vintage ceramics, or even small framed art. Floating shelves in painted wood or slim brass offer a lighter visual feel compared to heavy upper cabinets, and help maintain that minimalist charm. Hidden storage is a secret weapon in minimalist kitchens. Integrated appliances and custom drawers keep the countertops clean and clutter-free. The key is to make the space as calm as it is useful. Everything should have its place, out of sight until needed. Countertops and Backsplash, quiet elegance. Parisian kitchens don't overstate their surfaces. For countertops, marble is a classic choice, especially white Carrara or Calacatta, which feature soft gray veining. If marble feels too delicate for your lifestyle, consider white quartz with similar visual appeal and greater durability. Backsplashes are an opportunity to bring character. Subway tiles in a glossy white add timeless charm, while Zellage tiles provide texture and artisan craftsmanship. You could also go minimalist with a slab backsplash that matches the countertop, creating a seamless look. Keep grout lines minimal and light color to enhance the clean aesthetic. The goal is to allow the white hues to radiate without distraction. Flooring that complements the mood. While the kitchen leans white, the floor can introduce contrast or warmth. Many Parisian kitchens feature herringbone wood floors, elegant, timeless, and texturally rich. Pale oak, whitewashed wood, or even painted hardwood in soft gray tones works beautifully in a minimalist setting. If wood isn't an option, opt for porcelain tiles in soft stone shades. A patterned cement tile floor can also add a subtle Parisian flair without overwhelming the space, especially if kept in light, neutral palettes. Fixtures, lighting details, understated drama. Lighting is where minimalist Parisian kitchens truly shine. Think vintage-inspired wall sconces, dainty pendant lights, or even a small crystal chandelier as a statement piece. The contrast of vintage and minimalist design is a signature Parisian move. It adds just the right amount of character. For the faucet, a slim gooseneck in brushed brass or polished nickel gives a nod to classic elegance while keeping the look refined. Sink choices might include a farmhouse apron sink in white porcelain or a sleek undermount stone basin. Even your handles, soap dispensers, and cabinet hardware contribute to the atmosphere. In a minimalist Parisian kitchen, details are curated like jewelry, simple, but undeniably stylish. Accents and styling, soft touches of personality. The beauty of minimalist white kitchens lies in how they're styled. Parisian kitchens never feel sterile, they feel lived in, layered, and quietly expressive. A white linen curtain, a small potted herb garden, a vintage stool tucked by the island, these accents create warmth. Consider open shelving with curated items, handmade ceramics, antique teacups, a few French cookbooks, and a small oil painting or framed black and white photo. These personal touches are what bring the soul into the space. Don't forget textiles, a soft jute rug, lace-edged dish towels, or linen napkins, all in soft whites, dusty rose, or muted taupes. Each item should feel intentional and calming. A minimalist kitchen doesn't mean it lacks character, it means the character is edited, elevated, and essential. Adapting to small spaces, Parisian style in urban living. Paris is known for its compact apartments, so it's no surprise that Parisian kitchen design excels in small spaces. Even in a narrow galley kitchen, the white-on-white approach opens up the space, reflecting more light and creating a sense of airiness. Use tall cabinetry that reaches to the ceiling to maximize storage. Opt for mirrored backsplashes or glass cabinet doors to further expand the sense of openness. A small kitchen table or foldable bistro-style breakfast nook can add cafe charm without taking up too much space. Final mood and atmosphere, quiet luxury. At the heart of it, a minimalist and chic Parisian kitchen is about quiet luxury. It's not flashy or overly ornate, it's the confidence of knowing that quality, elegance, and comfort can exist in restraint. It's a space where you prepare a simple morning coffee, chop fresh herbs on a marble slab, or sit down with a glass of wine by soft natural light. It's an embrace of beauty in everyday rituals, elevated by simplicity and softened by history. And that brings us to the end of today's elegant journey into the world of minimalist and chic Parisian kitchens in white. We hope this inspires you to bring a little slice of Parisian serenity into your own home, whether through soft textures, beautiful light, or curated simplicity. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a moment of inspiration from Sachi Studio. Merci for joining us today, and as always, live beautifully. Design intentionally, and stay inspired. À bientôt, from Sachi Studio.